Ma'am, congratulations, sold out yung concert. Ano masasabi mo?
Thank you. Ano masasabi ko?
Yung free yung 9 minutes lang.
Di wow. Yun ang masasabi ko. Di wow. Now, of course, I'm very happy. We're all very happy and very surprised. Yeah. Yun lang.
Kasi parang nami-miss ka talaga ng fans mo. Yun, may nag-comment nga, mag-day 3 ka raw, sila ang kakanta sa'yo.
Mahirap kasi kasi syempre kailangan naming ayusin. Depende kay Kakay kung po pwede. Inaayos pa ng kapatid ko kasi yung venue hindi na rin pwede. So, let's see kung kakayanin. We are trying our very best. Kung kakayanin, let's hope for the best.
Umaapaw naman po ang sponsors daw.
Wala nga eh. Hindi, actually, mahirap mag-produce ngayon talaga ng concert dahil napakamahal, lahat mahal na. Yung kapatid ko, she really wanted na mag-free concert. Actually, kung kinaya talaga at kung mayaman kami, she really wanted na free, dalawa, kaya lang hindi talaga kaya. So, isa lang yung na-afford namin na maging free. But, ayun nga, we needed sana to have madaming sponsors, but
So manawagan tayo.
meron namang mga konting sponsors. Thank you very much to all the sponsors who supported the concert. That's why the other one needed to be paid. Kailangan namin ng maging paid yung isang concert to
Compensate
compensate the free night. But just the same, talagang medyo kailangan ni Kakay hatakin talaga yung yung budget. Kasi syempre, ayaw namin mag-suffer yung buong production kasi gusto ni Kakay maganda pa rin yung concert. So, ayun.
Hindi naman to retirement, tapos na talaga.
I'm not retiring yet, but this is just the last big concert that I'm doing.
Thank you, later na lang ulit, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,